Good morning, YouTube. My name is Ty with xking.com. Hit you with another video. In today's video, we'll talk 6 ways to promote ClickFunnels as an affiliate. ClickFunnels has a really good affiliate program, and I'm gonna show you some ways because it's kind of hard to promote something like ClickFunnels. It's not like a $20 product. You talk about something that costs $97 a month, so that person who's paying for it gotta have some decent money. So I'm gonna show you 6 ways. I've written them all down to promote it. The first way to promote it is using Quora. I've been using Quora lately now for the past 3 weeks. I like Quora. Quora is just a place, a website that people ask questions and people answer them. So you can set up an account with Quora. It's free. And they'll ask you what's your expertise, what you're in, if you're in the blogging, making money online, if you're in the cooking, if you're a doctor, if you're a lawn care, whatever your profession is, you could go on Quora, people ask questions, and you could answer them. The good thing about Quora will help you send traffic to where you're promoting. Quora is a really good site. And what I do with Quora is I answer 3 or 4 questions. Then my fifth answer on the question, I will usually link back to a blog post. So somebody asks how to make money online with YouTube. I have a blog post about that, and I will take some snippets of my blog post, post it into Quora, and link back to my blog, and that will help drive traffic to my site. It's a really good place to learn stuff, ask questions, and answer questions. So you can promote ClickFunnels there. Just type in ClickFunnels and see the questions people are asking, answer those questions, and if a blog post about those questions, link it to your blog. You can promote ClickFunnels as well. Like if somebody needs landing pages, if somebody needs a funnel builder, you could answer the question. You could say, use ClickFunnels. Here's a little brief synopsis on ClickFunnels, and put your link there. So Quora is a good place. It is a free place. It's free to post on Quora, and those answers last a long time. Their answers on Quora last 2-3 years. So lots of people over time will see your answer. So check out Quora. Number 2 is using solo ads, and solo ads is you go to these vendors. They have a big email list, and you say, hey, can you send out my promotion to your list? And they'll charge you per click, and you go to different vendors, different brokers. I use Udemy and for solo ads, and you can pay 35 cents a click, 42 cents a click, and you give them the swipe. And I know what the swipe was back then, but a swipe is just an email that you've written that you want them, the broker or the vendor, to send to their list. That's all a swipe is. So once you send them the swipe, you have your affiliate link in there, you have your program you're trying to promote with a capture page. They'll send it to their list. So you can promote the affiliate bootcamp through there. You can promote ClickFunnels through there. Use solo ads. So if you use my link below, you get on Udemy, you get a free $5 off your first order. So that's save you a little bit of money. Use a blog, and I've been talking about blogging for a while now. You write blog posts about ClickFunnels. You could post banner ads on ClickFunnels. You can, when a visitor comes to your site, you can capture them and their email, and you email them by ClickFunnels. So a blog is a multiple way to promote ClickFunnels. YouTube. Number 4 is YouTube. YouTube, you could get the service yourself. You can do review videos. You can just review ClickFunnels, review the affiliate bootcamp, review the programs they have on YouTube so people can see it, and if they want it, they can get it. The good thing about YouTube or blogging too, that content is gonna be online forever. So you get views when you're sleeping, when you're not doing anything. You get views on weekends, holidays. So that video will stay on YouTube forever. It's like a blog post, and then you get constant traffic to it, and people may purchase. So try YouTube. And pretty much all these ways are free. Quora's free. A blog is very, very cheap. Talk about $5 a month, and YouTube is free. Only thing cost some money is solo ads, and if you get one person to sign up, I think you get $48 per month. So, you spend $48 and get it back in 1 month. You broke even, but you get paid that next month. The next way is use your email list. With YouTube, with Quora, you make sure that if you write on Quora, if you do a blog post, link back to your blog post. But if you promote ClickFunnels through Quora, just don't have the affiliate link there. Have a capture page to capture them. Same with YouTube. YouTube, you talk about ClickFunnels, have them click on the capture page and get that email address, and then you can still, because they might not buy the first 1 or 2 times when they see it. Make sure that you use your email list to promote as well. So a blog is perfect for this, because blog, you get traffic all day and you go through your funnel and you can promote ClickFunnels that way. And the last but not least is use Facebook. And the Facebook is probably my least likely, because you have to constantly write posts. You have to write posts about ClickFunnels. You can promote ClickFunnels through Facebook. I'm not a big fan of Facebook ads, because they're just so tedious. They're hard to keep up, and the rules always changing. So the 3 ways that I like it. Well, I like all 4 of mine, all 5. I use Quora, I'll buy solo ads, I use my blog and YouTube and my email list. Those are the top ways, but you can buy traffic through anything else. Dismiss. You can buy traffic through other sources, Bing, Google. It don't gotta be solo ads. You buy traffic. So if you're just starting out, I would do this. I would do a blog, start a blog. And if you want to start a blog today, which you should start a blog today, my link below the video, you get a free domain with a new hosting pack through Bluehost. Start a blog, okay? Do YouTube videos, because that content stays online forever. Do YouTube videos. I will go to Quora. Quora takes more time, so I'll go to Quora next, answer questions about ClickFunnels, and then lastly, I'll do paid traffic. Then you do paid traffic first, because paid traffic takes about 15 minutes to set up and you're done. But I'd rather do the hard work forever, do the blog post, YouTube video. That way I would start getting ranks. So that's how you promote ClickFunnels as an affiliate. Those try them ways, and comment below you found new ways of doing it, and we can talk about it. So my name is Todd with SKeen.com. Thanks for watching.